My name's Nat Briganti, owner of Action Auto. I started Action Auto over 30 years ago. We're a full-service automotive repair facility, AAA certified. We offer a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, parts and labor with all of our repairs. And now I would like to introduce you to some of our staff. Brett Heskett, Action Auto's service manager, and Jeremy McAdams, our service advisor. I would like to give you 20 reasons to visit Action Auto. 30 years, same location, same owner, family owned, above dealership quality work, 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, AAA certified repair facility, discounts offered to all AAA members, 1-year nationwide warranty on all repairs, relax while you wait in our customer lounge, Wi-Fi, computer stations, big screen TVs, free coffee, free car wash, maintenance reminder program, loaner cars provided, ASC certified technicians, shuttle service from work and home, excellent customer service, and quality work for competitive prices. We're located at 9052 Walker Street, Cypress, California, 90630. Call us at 714-826-1880 or visit our website at actionautocypress.com. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.